Hello guys, welcome to Kat's Garden. I wholeheartedly that I wish I can do, that is, alright. Hey guys, no that's terrible. Where's this light coming from? Hey guys, welcome to Cut. I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Sorry about the noise with my kids, their video games, and yeah. Alright, so I have noticed that there's a root peeking at the bottom of my nursery pot there of my Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma. I've been wanting this plant for so long and I finally got it and I am happy. I checked the roots and yes, they are trying to climb up the top of the nursery pot. So anyway, I have the new pot of what I want to place the plant in, and I already have my potting mix already mixed. I'll make another video about that. So nonetheless, I'm getting everything prepared. I'm making a hole for my plant. I'm showing you a different angle because I could not stand the lighting, guys. The lighting was just getting to me and I did not like it. Now, however, when I first got this plant, it only have 3 leaves, and 1, 2, 3. Yep, it only had 3 leaves, and I know, guys, I'm sorry, I need to clean my plant, but I did not. But nonetheless, she is with child right now. She's definitely pregnant. You can see that there's another leaf trying to come in, so I'm super happy, but I want to make sure she's comfortable. And also, if you can look very closely there's like a little nub right there where a root like is trying to come out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get baby girl really comfortable and whatever. So I'm just going to ease her out of the pot. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can, but later on in the video you're going to see that the gentleness is literally gone out the window, but don't judge me. Nonetheless, I'm slowly trying to ease her out of the nursery pot there because of course she has outgrown that pot. And the more I'm taking her out of it, the more that I am seeing that her roots are like, I'm actually surprised at her roots. Like, wow, like mama, you really was doing it. Like, look at you, girl, what was I feeding you? Yes, my soil is actually clumped up because I literally watered her, I think it was yesterday or day before yesterday. And if you guys are wondering, I have her near my east window, literally in my east window, and I think that lighting may be a little bit too strong for her, as you can tell the tips of her leaves. So I'm looking around for something to stake her, and I found something that I will grab later on in the video, as you will see. But I know that Rhaphidophores love to climb, so I'm trying to find something that she can climb on or latch onto, but then that was a big mistake. You'll see later on in the video. So nonetheless, I'm going to grab my medium that I already pre-mixed together, and I'm just going to add that to the pot there that I have her in her new home or what have you. I do the tapping method, and I do the I don't even know what the method I do. I just shake it, tap it, make sure the soil is all pretty much settled. Again, I will drop a video soon on how I mix my potting mix or mix my medium, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm trying to scrape off the excess soil on top of the plant because I don't want the plants to. It's a large pot. It's a very big step from what the nursery pot, from what she originally was in. So I want to make sure that the surface is not too crowded because I don't want her to drown, because I'm a heavy feeder. I tend to overwater. And yeah. So now I'm going to grab the stake, and voila, magic, there it is. And that stake, that wire stake that I'm trying to place in there, that originally came from my orchid plant that I purchased, and no, it's not giving what I need it to be gave. So yeah, it's not working. I don't like it. It's ugly. So I'm just going to take it out, and I'm actually going to move her. Yes, you heard correctly. I am going to move her after I clean her. I'm going to move her to another location so that way she will be able to climb. I'm going to clean up the area a little bit Not really, I'm just gonna move the stuff out the way. But nonetheless, I just want you guys to get a better view of her. That's my big girl. I am so proud of her. Like, I really love this plant. You guys have no idea how long I've been wanting her, and now that I finally have her, I'm gonna take better care of her. So I hope she likes her new home, her new bed, because she will be in there for a while. And I will definitely keep you guys posted on her growth and everything. Just remember, you know, not too much of a heavy light. 20 is what I feed her throughout the growing season. And yeah, thank you for watching.